Welcome everyone with one more video on 150 most important questions on linguistics. Language acquisition is the study of how a person learns a language. Sometimes it can refer to second language acquisition, which means how a person learns a second language. How does children acquire language? Children acquire their language skills from parents and other people around them. What is bilingualism? Bilingualism means when a person can speak more than one language. Many people have learned other languages that they can speak on a daily basis. What is the difference between applied linguistics and descriptive linguistics? Applied linguistics is the application of linguistics theories and findings in order to solve the language-related problems, while descriptive linguistics is the field of linguistics that is concerned with the description of two languages. What are the four language skills in English? Speaking, listening comprehension, reading, and writing. What is the importance of listening and speaking skills? Speaking and listening are the two essential language skills. Without a speaker and a listener, there can be no language at all. What is the importance of reading and writing skills? Reading and writing allow us to preserve and archive language. If you are able to speak and listen, you can communicate, but you have no way to preserve such communication. What is linguistics? Linguistics is the scientific study of language. There are three aspects to this study: language form, language meaning, and language in context. What is phonetics? Phonetics studies acoustic and articulatory properties of the production and perception of speech sounds and non-speech sounds. The lexicon consists of words and bound morphemes, which are words that can't stand alone like affixes. What do you know about lexicography? Lexicography, closely linked with the domain of semantics, is the science of mapping the words into an encyclopedia or a dictionary. What is discourse? A discourse is a way of speaking that emerges within a certain social setting and is based on a certain subject matter. A particular discourse becomes a language variety when it is used in this way for a particular purpose and is referred to as a register. What do you know about dialect? A dialect is a variety of language that is characteristic of a particular group among the language speakers. The group of people who are the speakers of a dialect are usually bound to each other by social identity. Phonology deals with which field of linguistics? It is the study of sounds as abstract elements in the speaker's mind that distinguish meaning phonemes. What is morphology? Morphology is the study of morphemes or the internal structures of words and how they can be modified. What is syntax? It is the study of how words combine to form grammatical phrases and sentences. What do you know about semantics? It is the study of the meaning of words, lexical semantics, and fixed word combination phraseology, and how these combine to form the meaning of sentences. What is pragmatics? It is the study of how utterances are used in communicative acts and the role played by context and non-linguistic knowledge in the transmission of meaning. What is discourse analysis? It is the analysis of language use in text, spoken, written, or signed. What is stylistics? It is the study of linguistic factors, rhetoric, diction, stress that place the discourse in context. What is semiotics? It is the study of signs and sign processes, semiosis, indication, designation, likeness, analogy, metaphor, symbolism, signification, and communication. How many stylistic features are? Stylistic features include rhetoric, diction, stress, satire, irony, dialogue, and other forms of phonetic variations. Stylistic analysis can also include the study of language in canonical works of literature, popular fiction, news, advertisements, and other forms of communication in popular culture as well. How does anthropology affect linguistics? The use of anthropological methods of investigation on linguistic sources leads to the discovery of certain cultural traits among a speech community through its linguistic features. What does the functional theories of language purpose? The purpose of functional theories of language is that, since language is fundamentally a tool, it is reasonable to assume that its structures are best analyzed and understood with reference to the function they carry out. What is the phonological function? Phonological function is the function of the phoneme to distinguish between different lexical material. That's it for this video. Meet you with the last video in this connection. Stay tuned to my channel and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.